many of you believe that market में पैसा है?
All.
आपकी खुद की बात करो, forget about all.
All.
Yes, plenty.
Yes.
There is
Plenty of money, right?
definitely.
Yes or
We
no?
all believe, therefore we are part of the Indian Turtles Club.
So nice. And the best part, जो भी हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं, जो भी हम लोग करने वाले हैं, next month June can be the best month also. Yes, because
Lovely.
what we are going to do is we are going to understand what the Nifty is doing, what the Bank Nifty is doing, and we will find out few stocks. At the same time, we are going to learn something new today, which is going to help us, okay, to understand the number games. So, are you excited? Are you
Yes, sir.
excited? सीखना है कि नहीं सीखना है?
Yes.
So
सीखना है.
let's start. Okay, लेकिन उसके पहले you know, भले आप लोग fully dressed नहीं हो, मेरे को समझ में आता है. Some of you may not be even wearing your shirts and आधी चड्डी में बैठे होगे, not a problem. लेकिन हमारा जो business है, okay, please don't take it lightly. Please don't take it lightly. अरे lovely, so good. So nice. And this is going to help you in becoming more and more professional. Okay, this is going to help you. Please, जिसका वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हो, please करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Okay, let us see each other face. Let us be energetic. एक दूसरे को मिलेंगे. अरे, डॉक्टर साहब is also there. Good. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Hey, Dr. Sunil is also there. Good. So, हमारे इधर सब महारथी लोग आए हैं and I welcome every one of you because ये जो चीज है हम लोग जो करने वाले हैं और जो सीखने वाले हैं, that is going to help you in so many different ways. एक तो पहले वो बिलीफ निकाल डालो, कोरोना है, रोना है, धोना है. So वो कोरोना का धुला भूल जाओ. How many of you believe that this is the best time of your life because whatever changes are going to happen, they are going to happen for good? How many of you believe?
Definitely.
Yes. All.
Of course.
The whole way of looking at the business, of doing business, okay, the whole way of looking at your life also has changed. You know, always Dr. Joshi was crying, अरे time ही नहीं मिलता है, इधर से उधर भागा दौड़ी करना पड़ता है. And see how wonderful this life has been. Last 2 महीने से वो किधर बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं, and he is with the family. That is the beauty.
Yeah,
So,
along with all airlines, I am grounded for last 2 months.
अरे lovely. See, ऊपर वाला है ना, पायलट भी होगा ना, उसको भी ग्राउंडेड कर देता है. So Dr. Joshi is also a pilot. Okay, and the best part is, you know, he inspires me to push myself. You know, very push कर yourself. Every day something new learning करो. How many degrees he is having? उसका अगर लिस्ट बनाएंगे तो आधा घंटा उसमें ही निकल जाए, खाली only on the degrees. So he pushes me, मयूर कुछ नया चाहिए, मयूर कुछ नया सीखो, and that is beauty. You know, I am fully dressed because I am learning something new, and that is going to help every one of us in the group. So excited. अरे कितना जन है? अरे 10 जन है और उसमें से खाली 5 जन ने थोबड़ा दिखा. अरे everybody, hello, कौन है? अरे थोबड़ा दिखाओ सब लोग अपना. Why you are not showing your faces? Satish ji, good morning.
Good morning.
See, सबसे youngest in our team, and see how energetic he is. Morning में वो is up and running. Okay, spondylitis होता है, कुछ भी होता है, लेकिन market चालू है. That is the mantra. चलो, who else is there? Sachin is there. So many people are not showing faces. क्यों? अच्छा नहीं है क्या? थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं है? दाढ़ी बड़े बढ़ा के रखा है क्या? You know, few days back मैं नितिन को देख रहा था, तो he was looking totally different, and today He is looking so young and energetic. Good, good, good. And Angelo, हमारा Sachin Tendulkar doing extremely well, playing very nice. Okay, good Angelo, keep it up.
Thank you.
ऐसा बनना चाहिए for sure, without any tension, without any problems. So guys, please understand, give yourself a round of applause. अपने आप के लिए ताली बजाओ, अपने आप के लिए ताली बजाओ. And for whoever has come, उसके लिए we should help, हाथ ऊपर करके ताली, appreciate everyone who has come over here. Oh, हमारे इधर veteran of 30 years and Mr. Sunil Hallarka, again, see the best part, fundamental वाले भी हमारे साथ में. First time, Mr. Praveen is also there. Very nice, very nice. Congratulations to every one of you to be here early morning. कितना मजा आता है यार, संडे मॉर्निंग को हम लोग इतने सब दोस्त लोग मिलते हैं. मजा आता है कि नहीं आता है?
Yes, sir.
आता है.
एक्साइटेड हो कि नहीं हो कि मयूर भाई एक टिप दे देंगे, अपना संडे मॉर्निंग वसूल हो जाएगा. फिर मंडे मॉर्निंग को पैसा गारंटेड मिलने वाला है.
Absolutely.
Correct.
Too good. Too good. Too good.
Yes
Hey,
or no?
Mayur, cup
Yes.
and handle coming up on the daily Nifty.
Yeah.
चलो, see, we already have started having that in mind कि हमारे घर पे पैसा आ रहा है. Yes or no? And that is the
Yes.
beauty. That is the beauty to stay together. अच्छा, सबसे important चीज है, अरे मैं रह गया, अरे मेरा कुछ नहीं हुआ, oh no, I am left out वाला feeling जो है ना, छोड़ दो यार, tension free हो जाओ. Every day you are going to make money, and today I am going to teach you one technique, option में, okay, along with one indicator, जो बैंक निफ्टी में आपको every day पैसा दे सकता है. So how many of you want that technique?
Lovely.
All.
सब लोग को चाहिए?
Yes.
Too good.
Of course, of course.
पक्का, पक्का.
Yes. 100%.
Yes.
So just tell yourself, bring it on.
Bring it on. Bring it on.
Bring it on.
So
Bring it on.
let's go, okay, and start the Nifty analysis. और अगर जैसे 40 minutes complete होगा, log in once again, okay, lots to cover, and अगर complete नहीं होता है तो again log in, लेकिन value लेके जाना, then you can study on your own and be ready. कल सुबह को पैसा मिलना चाहिए. And please keep posting on your group, because that is going to help everyone who is unable to find time. Will you be posting, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
See, Indian Turtles का mission 20 was mission 20 में 10x.
10x.
Okay, so we need to go 10x, and this is the best time in the entire history. This is the best time. क्यों मालूम है? Everybody has studied, everybody knows what to do. Now it is the time to implement. And once you start implementing, डरना नहीं, because डर के आगे जीत है. Yes or no?
Correct.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yes.
Follow the system, follow the process. अगर नहीं समझ में आता है, keep a message with me, message छोड़ देना, and then we can do 1-to-1, not to worry. Okay, 1-to-1 is free. लेकिन जब भी मेरे पास टाइम होगा तभी, आज तो नहीं है, लेकिन मंडे से लेके सैटरडे तक definitely I can help you out. Okay, people are calling me and then I arrange for a meeting. So please make the maximum use of this. चार्ज नहीं मारूंगा, don't worry. लास्ट में मेरे को चाय पिला देना. और अगर कुछ ऐसा गड़बड़ लगता है आपको तो मेरे को पार्टनर बना देना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So I am open to everything, right? क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा है कि एक साइड से दूसरे साइड से पैसा आना चाहिए. That's it. So
Correct.
let us go. Perfect. one or two people are missing. Otherwise, everybody is here. Late comers also most welcome. Okay, chalo, let's go to Nifty. Thank you very much once again to join in. जैसे ये खत्म हुआ, immediately log in करना, no break. Okay.
Great.
Lot of information to share. Book or pen लेके रख देना so that you can write down the technique
Just
which I am going to give you. Let me share the screen with you. Please book or plan साथ में रखना so that you can write down. So let us see the Nifty first. Okay, everyone, video off. अगर चाहिए तो chat box side में रख देना. You can put it in the chat. Not a problem. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's see the video. Let's see where we are. Today is 31st of December and daily chart में beautiful cup and handle बनने के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन बनना नहीं है. Okay, somebody who is known. This is your cup and a handle coming in. Okay, so we are going to the previous high. अगर ये जाएगा नहीं जाएगा question mark. Not to worry, we will check it out. क्या कर रहा है? And we will also see the weekly chart. So weekly में again a cup and handle coming in. Technically it is almost at this 9571 levels. Are we going to see this 9872 levels? Lekin important thing, see the retracement where we are now. Above the 38.2% retracement. Very important for you to write down this level 9390. 9390. Write down this level 9390. And from where it has run away. $8804. See, remember I had specifically said 8848. 8848. इधर से नीचे जाएगा नहीं तो ऊपर भाग जाएगा. So what happened? This is the 9000 wala. So the range is very clear. Let us see the monthly chart now. आज मैं जरा उल्टा जा रहा हूं just to show you how we can be going about. So monthly, it has not made a new low, but it definitely made a new. Tell me.
मयूर भाई, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
आपके स्क्रीन पर दो ब्लैक बॉक्सेस दिख रहे हैं. चार्ट क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है.
चार्ट क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है because somebody must be having the video on. आप प्लीज वीडियो को ऑफ कर देना सब लोग. Now it is gone.
आप जो टूल्स यूज कर रहे हैं उसके ब्लैक बॉक्सेस दिख रहे हैं शायद.
नीचे के साइड पे कि राइट हैंड साइड पे?
नीचे एक है और राइट साइड में एक है.
ओके, नीचे से तो मैंने ऊपर ले लिया टूल बॉक्स.
साइड में राइट साइड, राइट साइड में एक है.
ओके, लेट इट गो ऑन द राइट साइड. अभी मैं मंथली चार्ट में जाता हूँ. सो मंथली हाई लास्ट टाइम का 98. अपना WD गैंग का नंबर भी था अगर आपको, इफ यू रिमेम्बर वेरी क्लियरली. ओके, सो राइट नाउ डोजी फॉर्मेशन, लेकिन नीचे से ऊपर में lot of buying has happened. So doji with a lot of buying pressure on the top side. So this candle technically was supposed to be a red color candle. Okay, it started over here, went down. Okay, and then by the end of the month, it has gone up. Okay, and it has remained in this previous zone. It has remained in this previous zone. That is very, very important. So what we are looking at is, can niche se strong buying has happened. Now whether it is going to go above the monthly high, question mark. Okay, question mark. So which are the stocks which are pushing this? Almost everything, including the auto sector. Okay, so we will see the number of stocks which are pushing the Nifty up. Okay, very, very important that Nifty, when it is going up, okay, which are the stocks which are pushing it up? Which are the stocks? Okay.
माझा फोन चालू आहे.
Let us.
माझा फोन चालू आहे. सारिका जाणार आहे.
So let me take you to money NSE site. Okay, and this is very, very important for everyone. अभी राइट का क्लीन हो गया? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So check it out. What is the status as far as all the sectors and indices are concerned? Everything technically is green, yes or no? Let us see the other indices also. Everything green. Only the fixed income wala thing is going down. So this is some worrisome, definitely. Lekin, if this is going down, that means people will be removing the money from the fixed deposit to push inside the market also possible. Okay, लेकिन ये जो गड़बड़ हो रहा है is definitely a worrisome. लेकिन the best part is, if this money which is going in the right place, then the push will be there. So almost all the sectors are working strong. Okay, oil sector gave a push up move. Banking, which was technically weak, has shown strength in the up move. Okay, and that is the advantage we are going to get. So let me take you to the equity derivative. Let us check the Nifty mein. Where is Nifty? I will take directly June ka. 25th June is the expiry. So let us find out where is the support and the resistance. So we are here in between 9550 and 9600. So on the call side, let me see 10,000 highest open interest. Highest open interest is at 10,000. Superb. And what else? Highest open interest is at 10,000. Highest open interest 9,500. Second highest. Okay, on the put side 9,600. Okay, and 9,900. That means straddle बनाया है क्या? Wow, superb. See this? Are you able to get it? So bigger picture में the range is 10,000 to 9,500. So agar lot of put writing has happened, see at the 9,500 levels also, this is technically the same. जितना put writing हुआ है उतना ही call writing भी हुआ है. Think about it. जितना put writing हुआ है उतना call writing हुआ है. And the next part which you need to also understand कि यहाँ पे भी put writing इतना जबरदस्त हुआ है और call writing देखिए just 2 strike price away. Now think about it. ऐसा कैसे? Work on this.
Mayur,
Yeah.
Mayur, please have a look at 9,000 open interest of the puts because that's 24 lakhs.
Oh, okay, okay. My photograph came in between. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. 9,000 ka. Let us check the 9,000 ka also. Oh, lovely. 9,000 put is 24 lakhs. That means people are not seeing price going below 9,000. That is the basic understanding. That is the basic understanding. So guys, this is giving you a picture कि exactly Nifty का पूरा जून महीने का range क्या मिलने वाला है. Okay, so this is what the Nifty is all about. I'll just take few stocks which I am looking at. Okay, and let me give you that charts ka details also. So one of the charts which I am looking at is, and I had given you that this thing was Glenmark, and believe me, I have already made more than 30 plus points in Glenmark. The monthly strategy which I had given to all of you. Okay, the monthly strategy for Glenmark which I had posted. Okay, what I want to do. Okay, so this was the strategy. Now check the highest open interest and in the call and the put side. Those who are new to call and put, don't worry. This will come to you, and don't feel that you are left out. Not a problem. You will still get the advantage. Okay, आपको advantage मिल जाएगा. So let us see the highest open interest in this.
भाई थोड़ा स्क्रीन क्लियर हो सकता है क्या? थोड़ा सा नंबर है ना ब्लर दिख रहा है.
Okay. This is okay. Chalo. So now let us find out the highest open interest.
Yes.
Now where we are here at 350 and 360. Right? So where is your highest open interest?
350. 400.
And where is the highest open interest? On the put side. So what do you feel? Where is this stock going?
Up.
Where is the stock going?
Going up.
going up, right or not?
Yes.
So what I had given was this 320 ka put to sell and 290 ka put to sell. Okay, both were available at a wonderful price, which actually fetched 35 points plus. Okay, and technically I got out of both of them. So 30 points already made as far as these two particular strike price was concerned. Now I am holding 370 ka, which I had taken at 15 rupees. This has not moved anything. This is still there as it is. So now for the whole month, if I sit down with this stock, can I sit aram se? And if it even goes down to zero, I have already made that 30 plus points. So guys, please remember, the money is there for you to take home. Only thing is, you need to work on your strategies. Work on the blueprint which I have given it to you. Those who don't have the blueprint, आज वापिस मैं सब लोग को भेज दूंगा. Email ID, please मेरे को भेज देना. Those who have not received the blueprint, I am going to send you the blueprint. But please work on the blueprint for the monthly strategy. Again, simple, use simple things. What is the monthly strategy? Check the charts. When you will start checking the charts, otherwise also you are checking every day. लेकिन last week में check करना शुरू करना चाहिए before the expiry. Okay. Check open interest. Check open interest and you will get a fair idea what is happening. And those who want the game to be correct, selling करके पैसा घर पे लेके आओ, because theta decay is going to work for us. Like in the last whole month, Bajaj Finance, if we had not got out of the position, okay, we would have made more than 2 lakh rupees plus. Okay, 1,22,000 plus also was a good sum. Not doing anything, going to sleep, and that 1,22,000 came to us. One simple strategy, which was a monthly strategy. Now this, the call and put which was given, a put to be sold. Okay, why I was selling this? Because premiums were good. Premiums were good, and that is why that selling. घर पे माल आ गया, and in the next 2 days, price just went up by 10 points only, and the premium dropped by 10 points, and that is the beauty. I covered my this at 90 paisa. Covered, already covered. कोई ना कोई कार्टून मिल जाता है पुट बाय करने के लिए 90 पैसे के, ले लो, मजा करो. We sold on the top and covered just 2 days. The whole exercise was done. So guys, this is the beauty of you learning the things right. Emphasize is follow the system. Do the right thing and the money is going to be there for you. So put selling hua, okay, and just to reduce the margin. And looking at the trend, I had bought the call also. So this monthly, this is looking really good. Up and down it they will do, not a problem. Lekin ye, yes, only thing is the lot size is 1400. So that is the thing. Risk management, if it is in place, beautiful, it will work for you also, not a problem. Okay, so guys, we are meeting again so that we can take Bank Nifty, and I will show you an intraday strategy which I am been using since last few months. Okay, wonderful bonus, Corona bonus. You can tell me. This is a Corona bonus for everyone. Okay, if you are in front of the machine, and if the system comes to you, grab the system, make the money, and run away. Okay, so guys, please ensure that you log in the next 5 minutes. जैसे ये मेरे को chance मिलेगा, ये बंद होगा, I will generate this thing, username, password, and I'm posting again. Okay, so are you with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So do you want this new strategy which I am going to give you?
Yes.
So how many wants to make money from the market?
All.
All.
Everyone.
All.
All of you. So हम लोग का मंत्र क्या है?
Money.
अरे यार, क्या इतना ठंडा बोलते हो यार? जोश लगा के बोलो.
Money.
Yes, because अगर वो दिमाग में नहीं जाता है ना, घंटी नहीं बजेगी ना, पैसा नहीं आएगा. So like I last time also said, money को प्यार करना सीख लो. Money is going to come to you for sure. So guys, do log in, okay, and we will be taking Bank Nifty ka thing, and intraday strategy will be discussed with you. Love you all. Take care and log in immediately. Don't waste time.